Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I will be showing to you guys that how to recognize a certain stock that you know that it will you buy now and hold it for a certain period of time, and in the future it will give you profit. So how to recognize those type of stocks in the stock market? Well, there are plenty of the stocks in the stock market in that condition in that area, but some of which I'm going to be showing to you in exactly in this video. Now the stock market is trading at its let's say all-time high, like it has gone far above the previous values of the previous year. So keeping in view those situation, we will be I'll be showing to you, I'll be picking up some stocks that are trading at their lowest and how you can profit from them when you invest in those stocks and hold them for a year or two and then sell it and make a decent amount of profit. So let's get started with the video. Now as you can see, this is one of the example of this is one of the example of my results that I'm showing to you. Now as you can see that which date it is, yes, in these days the COVID-19 hit the world, and you can see a major decline happened in this stock. And after that the stock start to recover and it start to went from its previous level. So now you can see that it's still going upward until it reached its 169.0 to 169, let's say, from how much, from a low of 11.56, from a low of 11.56 to 169 it reached to up till this point. So you can see that this was a great time to invest in, because all of the markets of the world were down, and that was a great opportunity for the investors to invest in the stock market, because the COVID-19 had hit the world, and many of the people knew that, many of the investors, many of the nations knew that the stocks would go on a discount. So this was a great time to invest in the stock market. It is also said by Warren Buffett that be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So this was a time of fearful, and you should be greedy at this moment. Traders should be greedy at this moment, because you can see that all time low and all time high. I will show you that the stock has never reached that position within the past 10 months, sorry, within the past 10 years, as you can see that as it reached now. Let me drag it. Let me drag it till this point so you guys can see it clearly. It haven't reached that position. You can see that, take a look at the numbers above, 8, 9, 10, 14, all are trading in these numbers. So the stock has reached for the first time up till this high. So I'm just demonstrating this stock to you guys. Now let me show you another stock, change symbol, and which one was it? WAVE. Now let me show you this one stock as well. You can see that now I will show you how to recognize these type of stocks. Now as you see, let me pull up moving average. Moving average, you can see the moving average is trading in this area closely between the candlesticks. Now where is it? Yes, let me change its length to from 9 to 200. 9 to 100. Now when the stock is trading below the 200-day moving average, invest in that stock and wait for the stock to go up above the moving average. So now it is trading beneath the moving average, so you can invest in this stock and sell it when the stock reaches its upper position. So now you can see that it is a great position to invest in. I'm just thoroughly explaining this to you guys, how to invest in these type of stocks and sell it when the stock reaches to these points. So these are great points to sell. This also a, you can see that this is the previous high, so it will reach its highest. If it reach this highest level, sorry, this is the previous high, and if it reach till this point, you're going to make this much profit out of it. So it's a great it's a great time to invest in this stock, because if you do, you'll make a huge profit out of it. And you can see that the stock market was down much more. You can see at this point the stock market was down. This was due to the COVID-19, and now it's also down because this is a great time to invest in. And this was also because this was due to the international crisis. So, and this is due to our national crisis, you can say. But overall it is a great area to invest in, because the investors are not confident in this area. So if you buy in at this level and wait for this and hold the stock for a period of time, for a certain period of time, you will make a profit out of it. But the best time to invest in the stock market was in a national crisis, because that was a time to invest in. And and that time the stocks and everything was at a discount. Now is also a great time, because the COVID-19 is also hitting the world right now, especially countries that are a bit underdeveloped. So in these type of countries, the, the the stocks are trading at a lower price, so you can invest in these stocks and buy these stocks and hold them for a certain period of time, and after that time it will give you much more profit. So invest in these type of stocks, and always be patient about trading in the stock market, because it's all about patience in the stock market. And if you are patient, you're going to make profit out of it. So you can see in this case, you can make profit out of it. The stock market won't go down beneath this point. For this reason, you will have to use your support and resistance level as well. You will have to use many of the things to know how the stock will perform. So you'll have to use many indicators as well. As I know that this is the support level, so as it hit this point and move onward, I won't sell my stock. I would just hold it. And let's say if it goes from here up till here, so I'm going to make this much profit by just trading this one move. Although it might not go directly in this direction, but I'm going to make a profit out of it. I just marked out the previous high, 31.45. So this much profit I can make out of it. And if you want to calculate your profit, use this tool. This is a great tool to calculate your profit. Other tools I do not recommend, but this is a great tool to calculate your risk management and take profit. So always use this tool to do such operations, when you are undertaking such operations. So always be use this. You can see that if I plot it right here, I will drag it up, and it gave me 31.48% profit in this area. So use this tool and to calculate your profit. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.